Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Salesforce account. First, navigate to the official Salesforce website. Look for the Sign Up or Try for Free option, typically found prominently on the home page. For those looking to learn and develop, the Developer Edition is an excellent choice, offering a full-featured environment at no cost. This edition provides a robust platform to explore Salesforce capabilities and build custom applications. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone new to the ecosystem. Next, you'll encounter the registration form. It's crucial to fill this out with accurate details, including your first name, last name, email address, and company information. You'll also need to select your role and country. Pay close attention to creating your username. It must be in the format of an email address, though it doesn't have to be a real, active email. This username will be essential for logging in later, so choose something memorable and unique. After submitting your registration, Salesforce will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open this email and click on the verification link within it. This step is vital to activate your new account. Once verified, you will be prompted to set a new password. Choose a strong, secure password that meets the specified criteria, typically including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Remember this password, as it will be used for all future logins. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Salesforce account. Now, log in using the username and password you just set. Upon your first login, take some time to explore the user interface. Familiarize yourself with the navigation, different tabs, and available applications. You can start by customizing your profile, setting up your personal settings, or even diving into some of the pre-built applications. There are many free resources and trails available to guide your learning journey within Salesforce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.